on to number 2. William Forsythe's Impressing the Czar is a commentary on the entire blank of classical dance, which gleefully parodies the traditions of the discipline while blanking several of them for brand new forms never before seen on stage. So if we break this question down, there is a lot going on. We have 2 blanks, so we're going to take a look at the second blank first. So if we start off with which, it says which gleefully, so if you know the hit TV show Glee, we know that this is really happy, it's a good word, and a parody is kind of a playful way at poking fun at something. So it's a gleeful parody of the traditions of the discipline while, which we know is a huge contrast trigger, blanking several of them for brand new forms never before seen on stage. So looking at that, if it's parodying them while doing something else, it's probably going to be the opposite of a gleeful parody. Then if we go back to the first portion, it says, William Forsythe Impressing the Czar is a commentary on the entire blank of classical dance. So that's basically like the entire genre of dance, or the entire, set or group of classical dance. So this is kind of the set, group, genre, all of those would be great predictions for that first one. So now, looking at these blanks, we have A, the second blank is extolling. Now, extol is a big SAT vocab word, and it means to praise. So, in terms of whether or not this works, if we're looking for the opposite of a gleeful parody, extolling is probably not what we're looking for. So we're going to get rid of A. Then we have B. B is defiling. So to defile something, it might be something that's a mystery to you, so we're just going to leave that one in. C is expropriating, which I'm sure is a mystery for you, so we are going to leave that one in as well. Then D is personifying. So to personify something means to give it a personality, to give it personal qualities. So that doesn't really fit in with what we're looking for as the opposite of a gleeful parody. So that's out. And then E is ratifying. So that is something that's more along the lines of something political, like putting something into place. So that doesn't really work here either. So now looking at B and C, we have the entire constituency. So if you think about the word constituency, it's about the group of people. You can't really have a constituency of classical dance. It's the members of a certain thing. So you can have a constituency of a city or a constituency of a country, but not of dance. So that doesn't really work. And then C is paradigm, which is a fantastic word, and it just means the entire group or set or the example of something, which fits in exactly with what we need. And even if paradigm was a mystery for you, it's the only one left here. And that's going to be our answer.